Okay, what I'm going to do is we're going to draw this shape down here, and we're going to merge the shapes together. So I'll go into Pixlr and just have a look at it. It's a rounded rectangle, sort of crosshairs, and then a small sort of square shape inside. So let's try and recreate it. So I want to go into this area here, the shape tool, and it might be on design. So you could be tempted to do this, and but you won't be able to. If you take the full color out, you won't have the line. So we need to use the draw tool there. Okay, so if we go into this one, we can change the radius, which is going to be the curve part of the line, and we can do the outline of the shape there as well. So let's put it to about maybe 12, and I'll leave it on white there. That looks about right. You can turn the full, if the full color's on, you can turn the full color off here, so it doesn't have a black background. So anyway, let's draw it and see what it looks like. And that looks pretty much what we're after. Let's flick back and have a look. So we've got the rectangle part. Now we need the crosshairs. Okay, and I can over here you can see I've got one layer. I could put I can draw the crosshairs onto here. So I'll go onto there, the line, and I'm just going to make the line a lot thinner. Maybe 5, and I'll just put the crosshairs through. If you hold down the control, it should actually have a straight line for you. Okay, so we've got the thin lines. Now we have to put a sort of a square and rotate it. So I'm going to make another layer there, empty layer, and on this layer I can hide the one underneath so you can't see it, but I just want to see it so I can see what I'm going to draw. So I'm going to go back onto here, rounded rectangle, change it back to 12. I keep the radius the same, so it looks the same, and I'm going to draw a square. Like that. Now I'll just hide that for a sec and click on, use the arrow and rotate it. Okay, so let's have a look what it looks like. Yeah, it's about right. Now I'll click on the bottom layer. I'm going to zoom in. I want to rub out this line here inside the square. So I'm going to use the eraser tool and just rub it out. Got to be a bit careful when you get close to the edge. Here we go. Okay, if I zoom right in, I can get it perfect. Zoom right in, and right in there. Oh, I zoomed, unfortunately I zoomed in on the side. Okay, so that looks about right. Okay, so you'll notice it's 2 layers. Now what we can do is we can right click on the top layer or the bottom layer and right click on it, and it says merge down or visible, merge visible down, or merge flatten the image, like completely merge them together. That's one way we can do it. The other way we can do it is in the layers here, we can say merge down, etc. And it'll just merge the two layers together into one. So doesn't really matter which way. Now that we're merged together, this whole thing is just one shape now. So if we click on it, the whole thing is just one shape, and that's how we've merged it together. Okay, that's basically how you merge shapes.